The Dog in the Manger. A dog, looking out for its afternoon nap, jumped into the manger of an ox and lay there cosily upon the straw. But soon the ox, returning from its afternoon work, came up to the manger and wanted to eat some of the straw. The dog, in a rage, being awakened from its slumber, stood up and barked at the ox, and whenever it came near, attempted to bite it. At last, the ox had to give up the hope of getting at the straw, and went away muttering, "People often grudge others what they cannot enjoy themselves." The end.